Welcome back to the quick question answer series. Have you ever thought about what you would say if asked about the do's and don'ts after a total knee replacement? Let's break it down for you. Let us look at the do's first. What should we encourage a patient immediately post total knee replacement to do? Firstly, they must start an early guided rehabilitation under a physiotherapist who, after discussion with the orthopedic surgeon, starts the tailor-made exercises, achieving the knee range as per the patient's tolerance and implant allowance. Secondly, there must be a constant watch at the suture site for any oozing or infection, while the areas adjacent to the dressing must be kept clean. Thirdly, a firm pillow can be used to keep the operated leg inclined and elevated, which must be completely supported, to reduce swelling. Fourthly, icing or cryotherapy must be encouraged 3 to 4 times a day, around the suture site, ensuring that the water from the ice pack doesn't drip into the suture. This helps in reducing the swelling and pain. Mobility and walking must be encouraged, using an optimal walking aid like a walker or crutches, as per the requirements and the condition of the patient. The walking aid must be adjusted to the patient's height, and the right gait pattern must be encouraged, from heel to toe. Let us now focus on the don'ts. What movements or activities should the patient avoid post-surgery? Do not keep pillows under the knee, which encourages flexion deformities in the knee. No twisting, jumping or impactful activities which can harm the implant or cause periprosthetic fractures. No forceful bending of the knee joint, which can strain the suture site. No leg raises or abduction in side line to avoid varus stresses over the implant, early in rehabilitation. No floor level or cross-legged sitting or squatting, which can again damage the implant. And finally, not to ignore warning signs like fever, infections or excruciating pain in the calf. It encourages the need to rule out other red flags and systemic conditions. For more such content, subscribe to MSKPT Decoded. Thank you for watching.